Hello guys, today I will show you a free AI tool that can make your blurry images look sharp in just 5 seconds. So let's get started. First open the AI tool website. The name is Unblurry. Once you are on the website, click on this Unblur photo and you will be on the upload page. Now click on the upload image and select the blurry photo you want to enhance. So as you can see, I'm going to select. So once the image is uploaded, the AI will automatically detect the blur and begin the processing it. You can see our image is being processed and it's this tool is detecting the blur part and removing it, and it will remove the blur part and enhance the image quality. As you can see, wait just a few seconds while the AI enhances the details. Now compare the before and after results. You can see the difference. The image is much sharper and more detailed. If you are happy with the result, simply click download to save the enhanced image to your device. That's it. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.